So in this video we're just going to cover what the len function is in Python, and it's a really useful function that you will find has many uses in writing Python scripts. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Right, so what is the len function? The len function is a function we can use in Python to determine the length of something. It can be a string, it can be a list, it can be a dictionary, whatever it is. All it's going to do is tell us how long this is. So for example, let's work with a list and a string. So let's initialize the variable our string, and let's say this is a string, or let's go more basic so we can count it ourselves, string 1. Then let's say our list, and let's give it the values 1, 2, and 3. Now we want to print our output to the console, so let's wrap what we're going to do in the print function. Then let's call the len function. So if you leave it like that, it's not going to do anything because it's a function, and you know that functions have to have some parameters within their brackets, which is how we're using the print function. We're putting what we want to print inside the parenthesis. So say we want to find the length of our string, let's type in our string. Now when we run this, you will see that it prints out 7, and let's just check that. S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's told us that our string is 7 characters long. Let's do the same with list. That's going to tell us, what we're expecting to see at least, is 3, because we can see that there's 3 items within our list, and that's what it does. It tells us that there's 3. Now say we want to access a specific item in our list, let's just change this to 1 like that, just so we can see it. We're calling the index, like I've shown you in the list video, and you will see that it prints out 3 because 1, 2, 3. Right, so that's a basic coverage of the len function. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you